Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Saturday. Oh my goodness. Today we are going to unbox BoxyCharm Luxe box. Their most expensive box only happen every 3 months. Let's open this up and see if this is worth the money. If this is the first time you watch my YouTube channel, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Steve Jan. My YouTube channel, 90% content are beauty and skincare. I have been working in cosmetics for over 27 years now. Yes, 27 years. I will be 49 this year. So in the cosmetic industry, I work as a beauty consultant, business manager, regional trainer, national trainer, country trainer, brand ambassador. I work at one company for over 17 years. Master classes to help the woman to achieve the skin that they always want. Plus, I was up here on QVC for a couple times. If you like what you hear so far, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel over here and turn on the notification bell because I release skincare video just about every day. This video, let's get to today's content. BoxyCharm Luxe box unboxing. A little bit about this particular box. This box, it's a $59.99. They ship to you every 3 months. The value is about $395. That's a good, and there's usually about eight full-size items in here. I think between the base box, premium box, I'm most excited about this. But I gotta tell you, sometimes they're so amazing. Sometimes they were just like, the premium box is better. But anyway, let's just open this out right now. Wait, can I open this? I didn't. Let me just open this real quick. So the beauty box I have subscribed right now. I get a lot of people ask me which beauty box I recommend. Well, I only have 2 right now. BoxyCharm, I order all 3 boxes. Base box, premium box, and luxe box. Plus, I ordered the Lawless Beauty box. That's it. And so far, I'm pretty happy with their items. So, whoa, it says right here, luxe box. Luxe box usually the biggest one. And let me get my glasses here so I can see what's in here. So the first product is by Natasha Denona, and this is the eyeshadow palettes, and it's $48. Oh, this is really pretty. It's a classic, kind of like a reddish Bordeaux color, so you can see that. This type of eyeshadow is really great. It's not too crazy. You have your matte, you have your shimmer. So basically on this 2 are more Bordeaux, more like a brownish matte and shimmer, and this is more like a neutral base color, highlight, shine, and this is a more deeper Bordeaux color, the kind of like a reddish colors. So this can create a beautiful look. Wow, this is nice. So far so good. Even though I don't use eyeshadow, but it's fun to have it, you know. Okay, the next item. Wow, this thing is, what the hell is this? Hold on, let me find out this thing here. This is great. This is called Frank Body Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator. So this is $19.95. So what is this? I think this is for your butt. Really? This is funny. It looks like a little tiny coffee cup here, and you apply this on your butt. Let's smell this. It smells pretty nice. Let's just try a little bit. I will, just so you guys know, today's video is really an unboxing. I am not going to, put everything on. Later on, I will try the product on the boxes and let you know which one I like, which I don't like. I mean, even though it's for your butt, you can use on your body too. It's very nice though. It dries really fast. I hate this treatment sometimes so thick, it just gonna stick on the skin. Yeah, actually dry really nice. Yeah, if anyone used this before and you have a perky butt, let me know. I don't think you're gonna get perky butt by using the cream like this, but whatever, it's cute. Alright, the next item is by Iconic London, and this is the multi-using sculpting palettes, $49. Let's open this up. $29. Iconic, and it's like a very they're always on beauty my BoxyCharm. So oh, okay, this is nice. Oh wait, this is a cream. These are the cream. So you can use this to contour your face even for eyeshadow. Wow, this is nice. I think I would definitely use this, and I love that they have a big mirror right there. So you can actually, let me show you. So you can, the mirror is right there. Oh wow, this is a cream. This is nice. You can use not only contour your face, even for your eye too. Wow. Okay, I love this. This is fantastic. I will use this when I'm doing more like a contouring makeup. So okay, very good. Let's see what else they got here. So this is by Aria. It is the oval detangle brush. So if you have a long hair, this is supposed to help you detangle your hair when you brush the hair. Okay, I need to circle back this, but it's a hairbrush, and it is sell for $34.99. My sister can use this because I don't have a long hair. All right, there are 4 more items right here. Hang in there, hang in there. So this is by Dry Bart. It's a liquid gloss smoothing treatment. So you put this on the hair, it activates it with heat, and it creates a shield for your hair, prevent freezing. And it's $34 for long hair. Okay, that makes sense. I love the fact that they put a thought in the box. They give you product that can work together. So that's really, really nice. Okay, what is this? This is by Lawless Beauty, and this is the lip plumbing liner smoothing gloss, $25. Oh, so this is supposed to make your lip look bigger. Rosy Outlook, that's the colors. Plumbing, soothing, and nourishing. Let's try this right now. My lips so dry. Oh, okay. I love this applicator. This is a nice one. It's thick and big. It has a shape to it, so you can actually put on your lip. Okay, this design is good. Good design. For now, let's see. So you hug your lip really well. Okay, this is good. I think this is the first time I see the lip brush applicator kind of shape a curve so you can place on your lips. The next item is by Ren Clear Skincare. And this is the Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. And it's a retail for, it says right here for $49. Okay, I'll show you. Right here. So this is eye cream. I use a lot of Ren Skincare. They are pretty good products. For the price you get, it's pretty good. Oh wow, the label just kind of fall off right away. Okay. So it's a it doesn't have any smell, but it goes on very creamy and slippery. So yeah, I will definitely give it a try because I always need eye cream. One thing about aging is that you always see aging around the eye area first. So oops, falling apart. I give them Lala Skin Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Mask, $30. So this is just sheet mask. Vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, everything free, made in China. This is the mask. So I'll definitely give it a try. So I mean, I know I was so excited to open the box, right? But if you look at my yesterday's video opening the premium box, I gotta tell you, this box is kind of suck. I mean, sucks because my personal preference. Like for example, I don't use the hairbrush like that. I don't need detangle hairspray. The sheet mask from China, I don't really care for this. The lip balm I like. Perky butt, I don't understand that. I will definitely use the eye cream. I like the multi-purpose, the sculpting multi-use sculpting palette. I will use this, but not gonna be a lot because it is a cream. So this is really to design that specific look. And the eyeshadow is pretty, but I don't really use that. So to me, this is not a good box for me. Here I am like, yeah, it's here. I was like, oh, it's okay. But you see, that's the thing about beauty box. You can't expect you're always going to get everything you love. You are not going to do that. But if you like more than 2 items, your money is worth it. For example, this is $59, right? The eye cream is $49, and the lip treatment is already $55. So this alone is over $70. $65. Even though the perky butt cream is not gonna be, I don't think it's gonna work, but I'll use. I mean, I need a body treatment. So I mean, overall, it was okay box for me. So what do you think? Do you think this is a good box? I feel like if you have a long hair, you will definitely use the brush and the detangle spray. Yes, absolutely. But for me, it's not gonna be working. And if you use eyeshadow, this is really nice too. So yeah, I mean, it's good, but it's not like for me. Alright, I hope you liked today's video. Like I say, in the next couple days, I will try on the box the product individually on my face and give you my feedback after using the products. Alright, thank you so much for watching my video today, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye! Hi, I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our bond, the 2 new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers.